Blueberry cranberry sundae. A very easy and tasty dessert to make at home. Today we are going to make blueberry cranberry sundae. The ingredients are blueberry cranberry mix. Put in the blueberries into the grinder. Put in a little bit of water. Pour in 4 to 5 spoons of honey. This is to make the sauce for the sundae, blueberry cranberry sauce. Close the lid and grind all the ingredients well. Put in the layer of ice cream. Pour in the cranberry sauce. Do this again by putting another layer. Put in a layer of the sauce, cranberry blueberry sauce. Put in the next layer. This is the final blueberry cranberry sundae, a very easy and healthy dessert which can be easily made at home.